evening. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for April 3rd to the 15th. For the pattern April 3rd to the 7th, this is what we're forecasting the pattern look like. We have a zone of flow across the nation, and we have a trough here across much of Canada into the western U.S., and we have above normal heights here with a ridge centered over the south central states. Temperatures during this period will be cool across the northeast. We look at the temperature anomalies. You can still see temperatures will be about 5 degrees below normal and about 15 or 5 to 20 degrees above normal across the west. We're going to look at the period now for August 6th to the 10th. We're going to look at the 6th. Here at the 6th, we see very little change in the pattern, a zonal flow. We have below normal heights here. We have a ridge here over the Aleutians. Now what this is going to do is we'll see in time that this ridge deepens and results in a deeper trough here along the west coast. And we have this ridge here kind of slides further to the east, and we'll see that as we go further into time. Temperature anomalies during this period will be still about 5 degrees below normal in the northeast and about 5 to 20 degrees above normal in the west. So the temperature anomalies. So during this forecast period, I'm forecasting below normal temperatures here and here, above normal temperatures for this region. And you can see that the temperatures will be about 15 to 20 degrees above normal across the southern U.S. and cool here. Now some of the ensembles showing cooler air here. We'll look at a little bit more. Let's see. There we go. We have temperatures about 5 degrees below normal across portions of the northwest. For precipitation, I'm calling for above normal precipitation here and here, below normal precipitation for this region. Gonna look now at the period for April 11th to the 15th. Here's the 11th. Now we can still see that we're gonna back it up here a little bit. We see that the ridge deepens south of the Aleutians, causes trough to deepen here. We have a strong flow into the trough into the western U.S. We have a trough here, and our ridge here slides further to the east, which is still fairly zonal flow across much of the nation. And we'll look at the models. They're all in pretty fair agreement on this solution. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here and for northern New England, above normal temperatures for this area, and we'll look at the temperature anomalies. And we can still see that temperature anomalies. Gonna go back here. Oops. Going a little bit too fast. Temperature anomalies here across the northeast will be about 5 degrees below normal. Temperatures in the west you can see are 5 degrees below normal, and across the remainder of the nation about 5 to 20 degrees above normal. So for precipitation, forecasting below normal precipitation for the southern Rockies and above normal precipitation here. So that is the long range weather forecast discussion for April 3rd to the 15th. Thank you for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.